This is Julien, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this fairly famous appellation of the south of the Burgundy wine region of France, famous for making white wines in the southern part of the Maconnais sub-region of Burgundy. We are looking at how to pronounce Saint Véran, this appellation that is split into two parts by the other appellation that is Puilly Fuissé, and that is bordering the Beaujolais area because it's so much to the south of Burgundy that it neighbors the appellation of Saint-Amour that you probably know as one of the Crus Beaujolais. So how do you go about pronouncing Saint Véran with the typical French pronunciation? Well, in French you'd say Saint Véran. The T at Saint is silent, so do not say Saint Véran, but rather Saint Véran. In English or American you can say Saint Véran, Saint Véran, Saint Véran, Saint Véran. But for the typical French pronunciation again, Saint Véran, Saint Véran. Les vins de Saint Véran, the wines from Saint Véran. The wines from Saint Véran. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French wine pronunciation. Au revoir. Bye bye.